welcome back to the channel. How are you all? I hope all you are fine and taking precautions, preventive measures regarding COVID-19, isn't it? Students, in last lecture, as you know, we have already started chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric, isn't it? And in last lecture we have studied about we get the wool from different animals. So we have studied, we have seen the different animals which give us wool, isn't it? Now students, today we will learn how from the fiber the wool is produced. How means which process, via which process from fibers the wool is, we get wool. Wool is a fabric, isn't it? So fibers will get interconnected with each other, means process will be done, many fibers will be joined together, and then at the last stage we will get wool. Initially we are having fibers of wool, isn't it? We are having initially fibers, whatever we are getting from the sheep, isn't it, camel, whatever animals are there. Initially we are getting fiber, and which processes, which steps we have to follow to get the wool, that we will see in today's lecture. So step 1 for obtaining wool from fiber is pay attention students here. The fleece of sheep along with thin layer of skin is removed from body. Now what is fleece? Fleece means the hair part from which, or the layer from which we get wool fibers. ठीक है, तो आपको पता ही है हेयर में से ही क्या मिलता है, वूल के फाइबर हेयर में से ही मिलेंगे, तो उसे फ्लीस कहा जाता है. The fleece of sheep along with thin layer of skin. Along with fleece, what is removed? Thin layer of skin is also removed from the body of sheep. sheep के बॉडी में से फ्लीस रिमूव किया जाएगा. ऊपर का लेयर जिसमें से वूल के फाइबर मिलते हैं, उसके साथ साथ with that this thing skin is also removed. Outer layer of skin is also removed. This process is called shearing. Okay, this process is known as shearing. Okay, so removal of fleece, the removal of fleece along with thin layer of skin, outer thin layer of skin, this process is known as shearing. ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियस सी चीज है, फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है हेयर से ही होंगे, हेयर में से तो वूल मिलेगा, तो पहले हेयर निकालना पड़ेगा, isn't it? So first we have to remove hair only, no? Then also next process we can do to get this wool. Okay, so first step is removal of fleece. Fleece is the outer part, outer layer of hair from which we get wool fiber, isn't it? So this process is known as shearing. So for shearing, what is used? So for shearing, machines are used to shave off hairs. Okay, for shaving of hairs, what is used? Machines. And these machines are similar to the machines used by barbers. Barbers जैसे जो machines यूज करते हैं हेयर को शेव करने के लिए, वैसी similar machines यूज की जाती है. The similar machines are used to shave off hairs. Third thing, it is shaved off during hot weather. Usually the shaving of hairs is done during hot weather. Summer, hot weather का कब होता है? समर में होता है. हॉट टेम्परेचर होता है, तभी शेविंग होगा. Why? Students, you know, already know that layer of hair the sheep is having, the layer of hair the sheep is having gives the warmness to the sheep, isn't it? वो जो है हीटिंग है, हीट एनर्जी देता है, इट गिव्स वार्मनेस टू द शिप. तो अगर हम वो हेयर को निकाल रहे हैं, हॉट वेदर में निकालेंगे तो शिप को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. अगर कोल्ड वेदर में निकाल रहे हैं तो शिप will affect temperature because of it, isn't it? So you know sheep gets protection also because of this layer of hairs. Also, it gives warmness during winter. Also, it means it is a medium for warmness to the ship. So that's why in hot weather, if the shaving process is done, then there will be no issue, no problem will be there. Because in hot weather already the temperature is high, isn't it? So ship can sustain in that temperature. It will able to live in that temperature, isn't it? So shaving process is done usually in hot weather. Next thing, hair contains fiber. From it, yarn is formed. Now, from fiber, what is formed? Yarn. Now, students, what is yarn? When fibers are interconnected with each other, joined with each other, long continuous fibers. When long continuous fibers are joined together, it will form a bun. Okay, bun, we will form it like a bun, and that is nothing but a yarn. ठीक है, लंबे जो फाइबर्स होते हैं उसे बन में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट किया जाता है, ठीक है, एक साथ जोड़ा जाता है, ज्वाइन टुगेदर किया जाता है. फाइबर्स आर ज्वाइन टुगेदर and that fibers are very long in length. We will roll it and it will form a yarn. और फिर yarn में से फैब्रिक बनेगा. ठीक है, तो हेयर में ऐसे yarn होता है और yarn में से क्या बनेगा? फैब्रिक. वो हमें पता ही है. Next thing students, shaving does not hurt. Shaving does not hurt ship. Okay, when we are doing shaving, ship will not get affected. Hairs are grown again. The uppermost layer contains dead hair. Students, it is similar to that only. We also go for haircut, isn't it? And mostly boys also go for haircut. So when boys, you are doing a haircut or complete bald, sometimes what happens in our religion, in Hindu, if we talk, okay, means yes, so when anyone dies, so they shave their hairs, isn't it? So you can ask them if they do shaving, is they get hurted? No, answer is no. No one get hurted, it is like that only. So when the shaving of sheep is done, they also does not get hurted. ओके, तो कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है, शेविंग की वजह से शिप को कोई हर्ट नहीं होता है. और वैसे ही जैसे हम शेविंग करते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स में, ठीक है, हेयर हम कट करवाएंगे तो फिर से उसमें न्यू हेयर ग्रो हो जाते हैं. वैसे ही when we are shaving off the hairs of the sheep or other animals, if we are talking, then again the hairs will grow, no issue. And another thing we have seen here, we have removed the thin layer of skin. So that thin layer of skin contains dead cells. ठीक है, वो dead cells होते हैं उसमें, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. The layer of the skin that we are removing, it contains dead cells, isn't it? So this is the first step, shearing. Students, write it down. I am giving you 2 minutes. Note it down. clear to you, that is shearing. Now let us see step 2. In step 2 what is done? So in step 2 let us see the sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed into tanks to remove grease, dirt, dust, to remove grease, dust and dirt. This process is called scoring, isn't it? First the shearing is done. Okay, we have discussed shearing. After shearing, whatever the hair is there, and we have removed skin also, and in that skin what was there? Hairs were there. Now the skin along with hair is thoroughly washed out. ठीक है, अच्छी तरीके से वॉश किया जाता है ताकि उसमें जो भी ग्रीस है, ऑयल जैसा ग्रीस यानी ऑयली टाइप मटेरियल, ग्रीस, डस्ट है, डर्ट है, everything get removed off. Okay, so after shearing the skin we have removed. In shearing we have removed skin, and with that we have removed hair also, isn't it? These are washed thoroughly, very properly. Thoroughly means properly it is washed so that grease, dust and dirt is removed. So this process is known as scoring. ठीक है, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Scoring. Nowadays it is done with the help of machine. आजकल जो है स्कोरिंग मशीन से ही किया जाता है. पहले टाइम पे, इन अर्लियर टाइम देयर वर नो मशीन्स फॉर स्कोरिंग. ओके, सो नाउअडेज machines are used for scoring. Now third step, after scoring sorting is done. After scoring, which step is there? The name of the step is sorting. In step 3 we have done sorting. In step 2 we have done scoring. ठीक है, so in after scoring we will sort it. Sorting means we will separate out. So after scoring, sorting is done. Hairy skin of different textures are sent to factories to get sorted. Now you know we have removed the skin, and with that we have removed hair also. But students, the texture of all the hairs is not same, isn't it? Texture, quality, everything is different. If we talk about different animals, then so it is obvious that it is having different texture. But if we are talking about sheep also, texture of each and every hair is not same. So the hairs are sorted. Sorted means they are separated. Okay, according to the texture, the hairs are separated into the factories. ठीक है, तो स्कोरिंग के बाद जो भी हेयर्स हैं, स्किन जो है, स्किन के अंदर जो भी हेयर्स है वो फैक्ट्रीज में सेंड किया जाएगा. The skin having hairs are sent to the factories, and inside the factories hairs of different texture will be separated, will get sorted, and that's why this step 3 is known as sorting step, because we are separating the different textured hairs. Okay, so this is all about step 3. So in step 2 we have washed the hairs thoroughly, and in step 2 we have washed the hairs thoroughly, and in step 3 we have separated the different textured hairs. Okay students, I am giving you 2 minutes, note it down, then we will move towards the next steps. Note it down. Okay students, now after the third step, that is sorting. Wait a minute. Yeah. So after sorting is done, the fourth step is that in fourth step what is done? Let us see. In fourth step, the small fluffy fibers called burrs. So small fluffy fibers are there. That fluffy fibers are known as burrs. Are picked out from the hair. हेयर के ऊपर फ्लफी जैसे फाइबर्स होते हैं, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? बर्स. उसे रिमूव किया जाता है. ठीक है. These are the same burrs. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on your sweater. You might have seen when we are wearing sweater, small fibers are there. So that fibers are nothing but a burr, similar like that only. Means that only is a burr. Okay, on our sweater you can see small fluffy fibers. That small fluffy fibers are known as burrs. So in step 4 what is done? Small fluffy fibers known as burrs are picked out from this thing, fibers. Okay, now next the fibers are scored again. Scored again means again it is washed. What is scoring? We have learned now. In scoring we are washing the fibers thoroughly so that dirt and everything get removed. So in step 4, the fiber, after removing the fluffy fibers that is known as burrs, we will again wash the fiber. And after washing the fiber, we will dry the fiber. We will dry the fiber. Isn't it? Now pay attention here. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Okay, now from the fibers we can make the wool. Okay students, now we can prepare the wool. After that, washing is done, drying is done, and then it is a step from which we can get the wool. Now in step 5 what is done? In step 5 the fibers can be dyed into various colors. Whatever fibers are there, they are dyed. Means color, जो भी हम कलर करते हैं उस कलर करने की प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? डाइंग बोलते हैं. Isn't it? तो डाई किया जाता है, यानी अलग अलग कलर किया जाता है फाइबर्स को. क्यों कलर किया जाता है? क्योंकि एज नेचुरल फ्लीस ऑफ शिप, नेचुरली जो हेयर्स होते हैं शिप के, कौन से कलर के होते हैं? शिप की बात करें या गोट की बात करें, ठीक है, दोनों के कैसे हेयर होते हैं? ब्लैक, ब्राउन. ये आई हैव रिटन बट आई थिंक यू कांट सी. सो ब्लैक, brown, white, isn't it? So hairs of sheep and goat are of these 3 colors. So whatever fibers we get, that fibers are colored into different colors. Okay. So once again I am repeating step 4. In step 4 what we have done? We have removed fluffy fiber known as burrs. We have picked up. And then we have washed again the fiber. After washing the fiber, we have dried the fiber. After drying the fiber, we have colored the fiber in step 5. Why we have colored the fiber? Because you know the fleece of the sheep and goat is of black, brown and white only. So if we want to wear a cloth, we will not wear these 3 colors cloth, isn't it? We want variety. Okay, whatever the material will be there. If sweater is prepared, shawls are prepared, whatever the things are prepared from this, it should be of variety of colors, isn't it? That's why we are doing coloring process. That coloring process is known as dyeing process. Okay students, note down this step 5, and after that only one step is left. Okay, it's noted down. Okay students, let us see the final step now. Step 6. So in step 6 what we are doing? So in step 5 we have colored, isn't it? We have colored the this thing, fibers. Now in 6th step what is done? The fibers are straightened. ठीक है, फाइबर को स्ट्रेट किया जाएगा. It will be straightened. It is combined. Okay, after straightening it, it will be combined together, and it will combine and rolled. And I have already told you, when any fibers, long fibers are combined, okay, they combine with each other, it will form a yarn. Okay, so fibers are straightened first of all, then they are combined and they are rolled. After rolling it, whatever we are getting, it is known as a yarn. Okay. Next thing, the longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters. Whatever the longer fibers are there, that longer fibers are converted into wools, and that wool will be used for sweaters. ठीक है, लंबे लंबे फाइबर्स जो होंगे वो स्वेटर बनाने में यूज किए जाएंगे, और जो शॉर्टर फाइबर्स होंगे, एंड द शॉर्टर फाइबर्स आर स्पन एंड वूवन. ठीक है, स्पन किया जाएगा, वूल किया जाएगा, और उसमें से वूलन क्लॉथ बनाया जाएगा. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, लॉन्गर फाइबर में से स्वेटर बनाया जाएगा, और शॉर्टर फाइबर, फ्रॉम शॉर्टर फाइबर व्हाट विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड? वूलन क्लॉथ, वूल का कपड़ा बनाया जाएगा शॉर्टर फाइबर में से. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से जो है हमें फाइबर में से वूल मिला. वूल इज अ फैब्रिक. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ वी गॉट द वूल. सो 6 steps we have followed. So first step was shearing, second was scoring, third was sorting, fourth was cleaning of burrs, next was dyeing and rolling. I am giving you 1 minute, note it down students. Okay students, I hope all the steps are clear to you. How wool is prepared from a single thread. What are the steps? 6 steps we have seen. Students, in today's homework, whole topic you are supposed to write twice. Okay, and if some of you have not noted this, you can post it. Okay, and then you can write it, or you can take a screenshot also when I am giving you time. And if you are having any query, then you can ask me, isn't it? Till then, and in the next lecture we will continue with the next topic. Till then, bye, take care.